Are you a parent who's starting to think about your teen's first job? And maybe you're already encouraging them to look for a summer gig, a part-time role at a local store or restaurant. And while there's absolutely nothing wrong with that, and the experience that they're gonna get, have you ever worried that you might be inadvertently teaching them to trade their time for money? Setting them up for the rat race that we as parents all jumped into and wish we hadn't? I think many of us parents fall into the trap believing it's the only path forward. But what if there was a better way, a more efficient and infinitely more empowering way for our teens to earn money? One that doesn't just fill their pockets, but also fuels their passion and builds valuable skills for their future. I recently came across this brilliant concept from Seth Godin, and he says people like us do things like this. And it really resonated with me as a parent because it's about identity and belonging, something that our teens are going to constantly struggle with. And I started thinking, how can we apply this to our teens, to my household, to my family? How can we teach them to build something meaningful around what they already love to do? And creating a community where they can share their passion and, yes, even make some offers and earn some income so they don't have to trade time for money. And it's about shifting from trading time for money, yes, to leveraging their unique talents and building valuable assets, which is going to propel them in the future. So let's dive into how you can guide your teen to do exactly that. We're going to talk about using their passion to build a small, engaged community online and how they can translate it into their very first incredibly fulfilling and flexible income stream. And here's a 3-part lesson to get started. In step number 1, we're going to help them find their passion and make content around it. What does your teen really love to do? For my son, it's pitching in baseball. He lives and breathes it. And because it's something he already does and loves, it's incredibly easy for him to talk about it, to demonstrate it, and create content around it. Think about your teen. Is it gaming? Is it art? Maybe it's a sport. Maybe it's playing an instrument. Maybe it's coding. Maybe they're a baker. Whatever it is, encourage them to create simple content, short videos, quick tutorials, even sharing tips. Teaching people who are a bit younger than them or less experienced than them, and this is going to build their confidence and establishes them as a knowledgeable peer. Peers connect with peers. People like us do things like this. Communities exist. And in step number 2, you're going to chunk down lessons so they're easily consumable. Nobody wants to sit through a 2-hour lecture anymore. Kids don't have that attention span, especially the younger ones. Guide your teen to break down their knowledge into bite-sized, actionable lessons. And if it's pitching, it might be the perfect grip for a fastball. In a 2-minute video. If it's drawing, it could be how to sketch a simple eye in 5 easy steps. The goal is to make the information digestible and easy for their audience, which allows them to apply it immediately. This demonstrates their expertise and provides quick wins for their community members. And it builds the community up. It creates the lifetime value of those members and they keep coming back. And this is where offers are made. This is where your teen can start earning an income from their passion. Which leads us right into step number 3 is starting a community on a platform like School. Now, it's misspelled, and I understand if you're a parent like me or my wife, you look at that and you're like, I'm not going there, it's misspelled. But it's School, and it's cool. This is where you can centralize the value and create the asset. Now, I recommend a platform like School. It's specifically designed for creators and community building. And instead of juggling a Facebook group or a separate course platform and a separate payment system, School puts it all in one clean place for you. It has a community feed, it has a classroom for courses, and it has built-in gamification to keep teens engaged. Now, the beauty is that a basic group on School starts at a very low cost, giving your teen the ability to manage everything efficiently from their phone or computer. The platform is designed for warm marketing, meaning They pour value into the community, and the community in turn helps the best content rise to the top. This is where they build a loyal following that will happily pay them a premium for focused content. And once they have that community going, there's a powerful path to their first income. Here's a bonus tip: seek advice instead of sales. When your team is ready to offer a small coaching product or an advanced course, maybe $10 a month for exclusive tips or a weekly live Q&A session, don't just jump straight into a sales pitch. Instead, offer their first 2 or 3 clients the service for free in exchange for a simple, crucial thing: advice, getting a testimonial. And here's the magic wording: I'm just launching this new coaching group. I'm just launching this new pitching program. I'm just launching this new way to bake cookies as a team baker. And I would love your honest advice on how to make it better. If you join for free for the next month, would you be willing to give me your most direct feedback and a quick review on the content? Listen, when people give advice, they feel invested. When they give positive feedback, it turns into a genuine, powerful testimonial. They are essentially telling you and everyone else how much they value what your team is offering. With those first genuine testimonials, the path to earning income becomes clear. Think about it. If your team can get 10 people paying $10 a month, that's $100 per month. If they grow that into 100 people paying $10 a month, that's $1,000 per month. They don't have to exchange time for money. And here's the best part: they can manage that community and create the content in just 1 to 2 hours per week. It fits perfectly around school and, more importantly, around your family time. So listen, don't teach your kid to trade their time for money. Not yet. Teach them to find a passion. Build a community. Consistently pour value into people who need help. Because as Zig Ziglar said, you can have everything you want in life if you just help enough other people get what they want in life. That's the true lesson of entrepreneurship. And it's time to start teaching our teens that trading time for money is not the only way to make money. The future of work is about leveraging a passion, building a community, and gathering support, because people like us do things like this: help your team get on the right path. Now listen, if you want a done-for-you version, you can work with my team at My Unique Media. Just click the link below, fill out the intake form, and we will get you and your team all set up. If you want somebody to kind of walk alongside you and kind of just steer you in the right direction, then make sure you sign up. Get on the wait list for my community. We open it up 4 times a year, and we're getting ready to open the doors again. That link is in the description below also. And if you found this information cool, exciting, helpful, make sure you subscribe, make sure you share it on your platforms, and let's extend our reach to other parents who need help, focusing on the things that matter the most. Cheers.